Welcome to Pew Kitchen. This is Patrick. Guys, today we're making chicken quesadilla. I'm making some soft and hard tacos. And this is my chicken here. It's already washed. It was soaked in vinegar. So now I'm going to season it. This is my bell pepper over here. I have red, yellow, green, orange bell pepper, my onions, cheese, guys, and you guys are gonna see how I make my chicken quesadilla. Yeah, okay, you guys already see how I make my tacos. So I'm gonna do the taco also. And this is my George Foreman quesadilla maker that I'll be using today for my chicken quesadilla. Guys, and you guys are gonna see what it looked like when I'm finished. It's my first time using this baby, as you can see here. So let's season this chicken now. First, I'm gonna use some, black pepper, because when I season this here now, I'm not putting any other seasoning on it. This is everything. So you're gonna fry up. I'm using my salt. I'm using pink salt. I'm using chili powder. Paprika. I'm using onion powder. And my diced onion. Guys, and some flaked parsley. And now I'm gonna wash my hand and mix this up. Start to mix this in. You could smell the seasoning on this here right now. When I finish it, guys, I'm gonna fry this, fry it up. And I'll be frying up my bell pepper with onions. Then I'll get my tortilla ready. Okay, this is my chicken, guy. So now I'm gonna fry this up, and you guys are gonna see how I'm doing that. All right, so just follow me, guys. Now I want to put my olive oil and put in avocado oil in the pan a little. It's already hot, as you guys could see. So you can let it fry nice, because I like my meat in general well cooked. I don't like no half cooked meat. So I want to fry good. This is frying. I'm not gonna cover it. I don't want to produce water, so I leave it open. So, set this here. So I'm gonna so just give this about the next 3 more minutes, and this is done. And then we're gonna get ready for our tortilla. Okay, so this is good. You guys see how that fish in? There's no water in here, just some oil to fry. Now I'm gonna fry up my onion and pepper now. So now we're gonna fry up my finger, put in the onion. Pepper. You guys know I love colors, so I don't like onions, but just for you guys. Salt. Black pepper. Little onion powder. Yeah. All right. My son loves taco, and I don't know if he can eat a quesadilla. I think he will, because he loves those kind of stuff, you know what I mean? I love quesadilla. My wife loves quesadilla. And the boys and they love the taco. They're taco guys, you know what I mean? So they have to learn Spanish because they love tacos so much. Hola, hola. ¿Cómo estás? Bien, bien. Oh, this smells so good. This onion with this pepper smells so good. Now just sit a little there, and then I'll take it off. So we're gonna. Let's say, guys, and this is a fast. Today's what? I don't know if quesadilla and taco is a Mexican dish only, or it's a different countries and stuff make that. You know what I mean? So tonight is taco and quesadilla night. You know what I mean? That's tonight. And next night we do something different. Now this is finished, guys. My pepper with onions is finished. So now I'm gonna get my tortilla ready to make my quesadilla. Alright guys, so now we're gonna make our quesadilla. First, I put on the quesadilla maker. I'm gonna use one tortilla in here. First, I'll put cheese. And put my chicken on. And I put my pepper. Now I put the next tortilla. Guys, and I close it down. Guys, this one is done. Alright. So this is what it look like here. Look real good. So now you put in the next one. And have the next one, make the next one, guys. It look real good, man. I know it tastes good too. You guys are gonna see it, right? And what I like about this here, guys, you doesn't have to, like if you make it in a pan, then you have to flip it over in the pan. So with this George Foreman make quesadilla maker, doesn't have to flip it. It does everything. It's like a waffle maker. Up top is heated, below it is heated. So it top and the bottom cook at the same time, as you can see. So now I'm gonna make my second one now. Guys, and it's easy. It's easy. I mean, if you prefer to use a pan, just use it. But if you could afford to get one of this here, and it's very cheap, you could get it.
Cheap or reasonable?
Very reasonable. and then we just put one on top. If you guys is a cheese lover and you want to do your thing, you just sprinkle some cheese on top here. But it's going extra. Now we just, guys, and then we close it down and let it cook. Okay, this one is done. That's it, guys. So this is our chicken quesadilla. Looks so good, ain't it, right? Both sides, guys. And I'll let you know how it is. Oh, this is good. Oh. Guys, it's easy to make. It's easy to make. And with the pepper is so sweet. This is good. With the cheese and the onions. And I don't like onions. And this is good. This is good. So guys, just try it if you have the spare time. Just try it. We're gonna set one of the Josh Foreman quesadilla maker. It's easy. You don't have to use the pan and turn it over. Just do everything. One shot non-stop. All right? So guys, remember, thanks for watching Pew Kitchen. Now I'm gonna make my, stop it, please.